Today I'm going to be showing you how you can edit a vertical video for a gaming channel or just, your simple TikToks. So without further ado, let's get straight to what you need to know. Now starting first, we're going to be starting out with a new project. Now make sure you modify the project to be at vertical and at least 1080p. You can do obviously 720p if you're wanting to, or you can even do a bit of a higher quality, but generally 1080p will be best, and obviously best if you're going to be doing gaming clips, do 60 frames per second because that's obviously better for gameplay videos. Now, right now we have a few clips here that I did take from my stream yesterday, and we're going to be editing this one down into basically a simple looking gaming video. Now first we're going to trim this a bit, so let's just watch the replay.
Come on, open. I dare you.
And we will do it from here. Now we're going to do is obviously increase our volume so it's not too loud, but decent enough so if people can actually understand or actually hear your game clip, whether it's on TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Now right now you can see that this is not going to really do well in terms of, it can work as this alone with the clip, but we want to make it more unique. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold down Alt and drag up to duplicate the clip. And we're going to do it one more time because then we'll have 3 clips and you'll see why. Now first we're going to select our first clip, which is going to be on the timeline. We're going to expand this to basically filling up the whole screen. Now I'm going to be doing this where it basically holds most of the audio, so we can turn these down because otherwise it will make a bit of a weird effect to the audio. It has happened a few times to me before, so we'll just do it like this. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go to our effects, go to blur, and I'm just going to use a standard blur and we're going to drag it on top of the background clip. So we got that nice little effect. But now let's go to our basic game clip. Now we're going to expand this past where the webcam is going to be. And we're going to expand it to, let's do it around about 225%. We're going to drag it down and then that should be fine like that. Now with this clip, we're going to expand this to full basically, where the webcam kind of just fits in, and we're going to go to where we'll find our text, scroll down to the generators, and we're going to select elements. Now we're going to select shape, and we're going to drag this on top of this clip. So what we're going to do is we're going to drag it to the full clip, and we can obviously just adjust it where this will be fully on the webcam. So we're going to drag this up here, make sure it fits in, and that should be fine. Now before we actually do anything, which obviously we do have to do quite a few things left, let's see if we can do any effects or any camera zooms that can make the clip stand out a bit more on TikTok and of course YouTube Shorts. So let's see with some of the audio.
42, he's one shot. Thank you for the free kill.
So we can go from here and we can just end it there. So now what we're going to do is we're going to highlight these volume bits, which obviously we're going to go straight to blend mode and we're going to do it at stencil alpha, and that will give us this little effect. Now of course you can't see the background much, so what we're going to do is we're going to highlight these 2 bits. We're going to say new compound clip and we're going to just say webcam. Doesn't really matter what you title it, it's just easier to find it in the compound clip. But once you've done that, you'll see this type of effect where you can of course just expand it a little bit more so it fills in a bit more of the screen. But we're going to move it just around about here, where it looks a bit decent actually. Now once you have done that, you are kind of done, but because I want to use this and turn it into a certain type of clip where it kind of looks more unique, I'm just going to crop it where it's going to be like this, and then we can of course just use the little side here and we can obviously just crop it where it just fits into the screen roughly around about there. Then we're going to make this as a new compound clip. We're just going to say zoom. We're going to click on the new keyframe and then we're going to just move the timeline a little bit and we're going to zoom this all the way up, and then it should be fine there because then it will look like this.
Thank you for the free kill.
Which can be a useful effect if you do it with certain clips, but of course this is just an example for today. But we should be good. Now I actually left this little detail in, which is actually to add a drop shadow to the webcam. Now what you can do is go to your effects, scroll down to stylization or stylize, and you can scroll down and you'll find drop shadow. Now what you're going to do, you're going to just drop it onto your webcam scene, and then you can see you can just adjust it a little bit to fit obviously behind the webcam a bit more, so you can have a bit of more of a shadow if you want to, but you don't really have to. Then we can obviously do the opacity to make it look a lot more better for obviously our scene. And we can make the blur a bit more visible or less visible. And yeah, this can actually just give a nice effect to your overall clip. And yeah, but that's actually how you can easily make a little drop shadow for your webcam for any of your clips. Now, what if we want to do more with this type of clip? Well, we can actually just duplicate this one more time. And of course, with Fortnite, you got like your health bar, so we could even just crop it where it can just fit, and we can have it at the bottom right here, which I think we can actually do because that will make it look more unique and people can see how close you are with your fights in a certain game, or just, you know, the health bar. So we can just zoom it in right here, crop it in a little bit, just enough where you can see how much health there is. We can even do the corners here, which can be a bit tricky at some points. And then we can also just bring the right side and just round about there. Should be fine. Then we can transform and we can just expand it a little bit, and then we can just put it right here. And then if we do it from the beginning, that actually looks pretty good. And I mean, it actually looks like a decent clip we can do for a basic little highlight from a stream or something like that. Now, of course, if you want to do more things like promote your Twitch or your platform, because of course, if you're going to be posting some of your gaming clips onto, you know, TikTok and YouTube Shorts, you're wanting to promote your Twitch, you can also just add a little text at the very end. You can just say, go check out my latest stream, or, you know, anything you want. But otherwise, that's how you can actually edit a simple clip for your streams. Also, you can do it in so many ways with your OBS, which I might actually do a tutorial very soon of how you can actually set up replay buffer. It's straightforward to do. I might actually just do it as a short. But otherwise, let me know in the comments below if this helps you a lot of your editing for your short clips. But I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next video. Be safe as always and have a great day. Bye.